Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, back at the Southern District of New York Courthouse today, Friday, May 31st, 2024. Now, this is the day after the Trump verdict. We covered it. We were there in the courtroom. 34 counts. I'm not going to editorialize here except to say we immediately put out ebook, audiobook, and now paperback. It hasn't actually tweeted that last one yet, so this is a vlog exclusive. And it's called Trump Trial, The Verdict, and it covers, it doesn't just cover what happened in the courtroom, it's got some more stuff. If you want to know what we think, there it is. In any event, we're back here at the Southern District of New York, and happy to be so. The Menendez trial continues. It starts today at 1, so we have a little bit of time to check in on Bill Hwang of Archegos, the man who burned $34 billion with an innovative trading strategy that the government says is illegal, and they're going at it like cats and dogs. Up on 26, it's U.S. versus Miles Guo. Yes, this case has gone to trial. Steve Bannon is in the air mace, puffer bags, and the CCP, which it turns out, interestingly enough, it's come out, at least the defense says, that the Chinese Communist Party would have people in the name of people on the OFAC U.S. sanctions list deposit money in Miles Guo's accounts to get them all closed. Kind of amazing. And somehow he says that they hacked his cell phone in such a way that it controlled his yacht in the harbor, the same yacht he was on with Steve Bannon. So these are the trials that we're covering. There are also, of course, the Mad Court. There's just many things going on here, and we're glad to be back to it. I don't mean to be upbeat and chipper. There's some very somber days, but I will let me transition to the United Nations, of course, where we put in these questions, man. Not just UN rapes by peacekeepers. I can't say that enough, but corruption, not unfilled out financial forms, and also things about UNRWA that are should be responded to. The thing is that they keep it so that the only ones they allowed in are the ones that are going to lob softball questions to them, Chinese state media and others, and they hit them back, and no one holds them accountable. You see, even those who taxpayers all over the world pay for this sideshow in which a mediocre Portuguese politician virtue signals and bans his critics while talking about freedom of the press. It's outrageous. We've had two law firms write, Quinn Emanuel and Duane Morris, and the UN hasn't even answered because they're absolutely impugned. So if you believe in the rule of law, this is one to keep your eye on. But for now, we're going into the courthouse. Have a good weekend. It's a new era.